All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to our latest explainer, where today we're taking an exclusive look at a seriously rare, highly confidential acquisition opportunity right in the healthcare space. If you follow the medical practice market, you already know that finding a truly turnkey operation is literally like finding a needle in a haystack. But, well, that's exactly what we're breaking down for you today, a turnkey internal medicine practice.
So think about this. What if you could just entirely bypass the startup phase? Building a medical clinic from the ground up is, let's be honest, notoriously brutal. You've got to secure a lease, handle the build-out, hire your staff, get providers credentialed, and then you're just slowly grinding out a patient panel month after agonizing month. But what if you didn't have to? This established practice is basically the ultimate shortcut. You get to completely bypass that grueling startup phase and step straight into a thriving, fully operational business on day one.
Now, before we unpack the numbers, we should probably mention who is actually bringing this premium asset to the table. This highly confidential opportunity is exclusively presented by Strategic Medical Brokers. They're definitely well known for handling top-tier medical acquisitions, so you're in very capable hands here.
Okay, let's look at the foundation. Nearly 2 decades. We're talking about almost 20 years of successful operating history. So this isn't some flash-in-the-pan clinic that might not be here tomorrow. It is a deeply embedded, highly trusted pillar of its local healthcare community. And that kind of longevity, it brings an incredible amount of stability and a sterling reputation that you, as the new owner, get to inherit right off the bat.
And here is what that longevity actually translates to on paper. Over 1,800 active patients. I mean, wow. For a prospective buyer, that is massive. It gives you immediate, turnkey patient volume. Basically, the cash flow engine is already primed and running at full speed the very second you take over.
So what keeps that engine running? Let's look under the hood. First off, a remarkably diverse payer mix. This is absolutely crucial because it perfectly insulates the business from sudden changes in any single insurance network. Plus, and this is a big one, they already have an established annual membership fee model in place. That means predictable, recurring revenue completely outside of traditional insurance reimbursements. Operationally, you're stepping into a facility that already has expanded provider capacity. And the staff? Super stable, long-tenured, with minimal employee turnover. They know the patients, they know the systems, and they just keep the whole clinic running like a well-oiled machine.
But honestly, as great as that foundation is, here's where it gets super exciting if you're a growth-focused buyer. Look at these massive, untapped growth levers. Right now, there is existing space to just bring on additional providers. You could easily expand Medicare and geriatric services, or hey, you could even transition the whole practice into a highly lucrative full concierge or hybrid model. On top of that, they haven't even implemented chronic care management or remote patient monitoring programs yet, and those both offer tremendous upside. Add in the potential to build an in-house laboratory or simply launching some basic modern marketing channels, the roadmap for scaling this asset is just incredibly clear.
Now, you might be wondering, okay, so why are they selling? Well, the catalyst is actually quite simple. The current physician's upcoming retirement. After a really long, successful career, the founding doctor is stepping away from full-time clinical ownership, and that creates this incredibly natural, motivated transition point. You get to step in seamlessly and take the reins of a healthy, highly profitable business.
So if this sounds like the turnkey opportunity you've been searching for, literally, now's the time to act. Go ahead and scan the QR code you see right here on your screen. It says it all. Interested in learning more? Scan the QR code to access additional information and explore this confidential acquisition opportunity with Strategic Medical Brokers. Scanning that will take you straight to the next steps, where you can sign a non-disclosure agreement and unlock the full, detailed dossier for this practice. We are going to leave this QR code up on the screen for the next 20 seconds or so, giving you plenty of time to pull out your phone and scan it. Seriously, don't miss out on this one. The foundation is built, the community trust is totally secured, and the patients are waiting. The only question is, are you ready to take the reins?